Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen while gaming. First of all, come below at the software, then type in change screensaver. Open it. Now as you do that, make sure the screensaver is set to none. If it's on, let's say 3D text or blank, set it to none, select apply and then OK. For the next step, come below at the software, type in control panel and open it. Make sure the large icon is set on view by, and then here select power options. Now if it's not balanced in your case, you're gonna have to select balance by selecting change plan settings. Go ahead, set it to balanced, and then under turn off the display, set it to never. Same goes for plugged in as well, set it to never. And likewise, for put the computer to sleep, set it to never. Same goes for plugged in as well. Once done, select Change Advanced Power Settings button. And as you do that, expand this PCI Express, expand this button right here, select on battery and simply select it to off. Same goes for your plugged in as well. For this setting, select off. Now once you do so, you may go ahead, apply it, select OK, restart your device and it will fix your problem.